Cloud transformation sounds exciting, doesn't it? Like a magical switch that turns your IT headaches into an efficiency oasis. Except, in reality, it's more like trying to steer a ship through a storm with no rudder. Costs spiral, delays drag on, the consultant speaks fluent jargon, and before you know it, you're drowning in a strategic framework that stays on PowerPoint and doesn't deliver results in real life. We do things differently at Transforming Technology. There's no fluff or faff. Just seamless, efficient cloud migrations that empower your team rather than burying them in complexity. Whether you need business agility, improved resilience, AI adoption, DevOps, or cost optimization, we provide the tools and expertise to help your business thrive. We know cloud transformation has a bit of a reputation. It's the IT equivalent of assembling flat-pack furniture. Meant to be simple, but somehow you end up with missing parts, leftover screws, and an existential crisis. The problem isn't the cloud, it's how most companies get there. Large consultancies often come with a hefty price tag, and while they bring a lot of expertise, they can face challenges with speed and flexibility in an ever-changing landscape. This can often result in rush migrations, which may lead to security concerns, inefficiencies, and unexpected costs that can send finance teams into meltdown. There really is no wonder why it can feel so overwhelming. That's why we've developed a structured, outcomes-driven approach. One that removes the friction, eliminates the waste, and gets you from stuck to sorted with minimal disruption. We do it with our proven enterprise cloud transformation framework, a step-by-step approach that ensures a smooth, structured journey to the cloud with no surprises. It starts with architecture vision, getting clear on what success actually looks like, aligning your cloud strategy with business goals, and securing stakeholder buy-in. Then we move to assessment, where we evaluate your IT landscape, identify dependencies, and create a strong foundation for transformation. Once we understand where you are, we move to planning, developing a roadmap that balances governance, security, compliance, and cost optimization. Then comes design, where we architect scalable, resilient cloud solutions built for your business today and its growth tomorrow. In implementation, we execute cloud migrations and modernization initiatives using automation, DevOps, and Agile methodologies to ensure efficiency. But we don't just set things up and walk away. Governance ensures the right policies, security, and operational frameworks are in place, keeping everything aligned with your objectives. And because cloud transformation isn't a one-and-done job, we provide ongoing support with continuous monitoring, proactive issue resolution, and strategic guidance to keep your cloud environment running at its best. And finally, we optimize, fine-tuning performance, controlling costs, and applying operational best practices to ensure you're getting the most out of your cloud investment. Whilst most companies treat cloud migration like a one-off project, we see it as an evolution. Our framework keeps everything structured from initial planning through to long-term innovation. We're also tech agnostic, meaning we don't push a particular platform just because it suits us. We find the best solution for you, not just the one that looks good on a sales deck. And most importantly, we get things done. No bloated consultancy fees, no endless meetings, just clear strategies, fast implementation, and real-world results. No matter the stage of your cloud journey, if you're ready to stop overpaying for slow-moving cloud projects and do more for less, let's talk. Visit transforming.technology to learn more or reach out for a chat today.